Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning on my social media planner for the week of September 16th through the 22nd using this kit from Sprinkled to Bits. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using. It is from Sprinkled to Bits. I got it a while ago. And it is the planner one, Dream Love Plan, I think is what it's called. So you have the full boxes, the washi, you have the date covers and boxes, some checklists and functionals and deco, and then another sheet of deco. So that's the kit we're going to be using, but I am excited to share with you this week. So far this month has been going pretty well. I wanted to talk to you guys kind of how this is like working as far as like planning, and it's been, like I said, it's been going pretty well. I am really enjoying using this planner, so I don't think that I'm going to be changing it anytime soon. The way I'm planning might change a little bit, but other than that, I don't think anything is going to change. I really love the dashboard layout, so that is very exciting. And for the next year, for 2025, I actually already have my social media planner planned out. I'm actually going to be using the Hobonichi Cousin for my social media planner in 2025, so that is super exciting. I have been wanting to use the Hobonichi Cousin for social media since I started using it this year for my health and wellness, and I thought, well, I mean, I might as well go ahead and try it out in 2025 because, you know, I'm done with this planner at the end of this year. The guts I will be using for something else. I'm actually going to be using the guts for the challenge planner that I'm going to be setting up, and you guys will see that setup video. So don't worry if you guys are wanting to see it, because I will share that setup video with you. But like I said, I'm wanting to kind of venture out into something else for 2025. So I really love the dashboard layout though. That's basically my explanation. I know I'm like all over the place today. All right, we have done the side here. As you can see, I can't cut straight, so that's unfortunate, but it's okay. We will survive. I think I want to use this Girl Boss sticker for right here, because I just really like that. And then we have a couple of checklists here, and I'm thinking I'm going to use probably these two. And I'm going to grab the accompanying tiny ones as well. So this is going to be for my filming and editing list. I love Sprinkled to Bits kits. I think they are so pretty, and I'm definitely going to have to get some more soon. I just don't know when. I think I'm going to add Dream, Believe, Achieve right here. Grab my white out. You guys, I can't believe September is already almost over. It is going by way too fast. Like, this is just not how I wanted this month to go by. I mean, I guess it makes sense because we never want the months to go by fast, but like, this year has just flown by and I don't like it. I don't like how fast the year is going. But, you know, such is life. I feel like that's just how things happen, you know? Life just goes by really fast. Okay, this is going to be any sales or anything that's going to be happening, because there is a sale that I know of that's going to be happening this week. So I think I'm going to use this for one of the labels, maybe. Hold on. I want to check and make sure there's not any others. Oh, well, we do have these. Okay. So this is going to be the checklist. This is not from Sprinkle to Bits. This is actually a Growing Modestly sticker, but I want to have the word sale on here. So we're going to do that. Okay. And then we are going to take To Go and To Call because I'm not going to be using those. And I will put a film and edit script over this. Let me grab them. These are the scripts I've been using. These are from Robin's Planning Nest. I just really like them. I think they are perfect. Okay. And let's see. We do have one, what is this called? Checklist. We also have this one. I think I'm going to use this one. Oh, I could have used these. Oh, well, too late now. This is going to be for the PRs. I'm going to use this to do. And instead of it saying to do, I'm going to put post. Okay. And then I think Dream, Believe, Achieve I do want to put on here, but I'm going to hold off. I will add the deco in a second, but let's use this one and the clock for right here. And you know what? We will still put Dream, Believe, Achieve right there. That's fun. I like that. Okay, now we need to go onto the side. So, how have you guys been enjoying the weather? Has the weather been kind of good to you, kind of not good to you? What's been happening with your weather? Because honestly, with our weather, it's been kind of so-so. Yes, like I said, our weather has been kind of so-so. It's not been too hot or too cold, but I'm really not surprised because it's Florida, so, you know, you kind of got to roll with what you got. You guys understand if you've lived here. I just love this kit. It is so pretty. Okay, let's add some more of these boxes. Oh my gosh, let go. So, trying to kind of cattywampus all of them, you know what I mean? Like sporadically put them down on the spread. Oh dear, we do not want that. There, perfect. All right, and then we have posts for actually I'm gonna use these. These are going to be for our Sarah Lynn art posts. Put that one there for Monday and one for Friday. Scooch Fridays up a little bit, just so I have some room. Okay, and then Wednesday is our YouTube collab loop group. Which one should we use? Let's use the clock. And I am going to grab my custom To the Moon Co. script stickers for the title. So I know that that is where this will go. And I wanted to do them separately like this because I wanted to be able to put one on one, like half of it on the top and half of it at the bottom. Does that make sense? Okay, and then I guess I already pulled these boxes out, so I've got to use them. I mean, I don't have to, but I kind of already grabbed them, so put those there. And then we can add some cute little deco to the spread, because why not? I'm gonna put this there, and the laptop there. Planner can go there. Coffee and donuts are always important. So we'll put it here. I'm thinking that's probably good. I guess I didn't need to use this deco sheet, but you never know. We have some extra deco here too. So I think I'm going to cover up those florals with these. I'm going to put the weekend banner sticker here. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I want to use for this area. Maybe just like that. And maybe we will put the croissant, put it there. Look, we have more donuts. Okay, we'll put the donut there. Trying to use up as much of this deco as possible. Put that one there. And then we have a watch, which we will put here. I have no idea how long the camera was moved, but my apologies if I was planning something and you couldn't see. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Practical Paper Company planner using the Sprinkle to Bits kit. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos. If you want to see how I've planned in my previous planners, you can check out my Practical Paper Company playlist for my social media. I will have it linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, so you can check that out if you're interested. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!